All right, Grant is receiving what we're calling the Standing Ovation Award, and he is this year's recipient of the Cole Fredericking Memorial Scholarship. As Mrs. Slaughter mentioned and introduced, Cole was a Mountain Vista student who passed away at the beginning of the school year. And the scholarship wants to honor Cole, but also to celebrate a student who embodies the spirit with which Cole approached his life, his education, and theater. You see, Cole was a very talented and compelling actor, and a straight-A student. All this despite struggling every day with the side effects of cancer and cancer treatments. He was positive, joyful, and hopeful, showed us what true perseverance and resilience looked like, and had no problem telling you when you messed up. The theater scholarship winner this year is a leader in our department. He is dependable, kind, respectful, shows everyone around him love and care. He is the kind of person that lights up any room he walks into, is quick with a joke or a smile. He's a classically trained dancer who performs in numerous professional shows per year. And as an actor and director, he has captivated and moved audiences with his authenticity and his power. He set high marks of achievement and encouraged others to be as invested and hardworking as he was. You see, Grant is at his strongest when the stakes are highest for his characters, when his natural physical presence and love of taking risks can shine. Grant absolutely reached the highest standards that he set for himself this year as an actor. He put an immense effort into studying and improving. He leaves high school with broad range as a performer and the capacity to bring powerful depth to every character that he inhabits. But more importantly, Grant's personality and soul is at the heart of somebody you just can't help but root for. His unvarnished exuberance is reassuring and energizing, and I think all of us will miss him very much. Congratulations, Grant. All right, our next department, the inimitable and internationally renowned Carrie Atchison.